Hello guys, I'm the Glowing Pickaxe and welcome back to another video, and today we're playing a game called Snoring on Miniclip on my iPad, and basically it's a game where you have to try and wake up the elephant with different animals. So let's just jump right into it. This should be fun. Oh, elephant was asleep. What do we do? Can I just shove you up my room? How do you pick an animal? Oh, I see. Boing. Elephant. Boof. Oh, there goes elephant. I think his name could be Elephant for today, so let's call him Elephant. Peggy saved the day. Boof. Peggy, you can do it. There goes Elephant. Bye-bye, Elephant. Bang. Come on, Zebra. Ziggy the Zebra. Elephant. Oh my god. What do we do? Just hit him. Bang. Go. Boof. Kill the elephant. I don't think that's what you do. Boof. Kill the elephant. Oh, I did that by mistake. I just did that by mistake and apparently it worked. No, this isn't gonna work. You're too fat. I did tell you, you're way too fat. Why isn't the player just allowed to punch the elephant in the face? That would save the whole day, like. Oh. Thump. Yay, elephant. Bye-bye, elephant. Let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Thump. And I really want to know how that kills them. Maybe they got head injuries. You never know. Boof. Oh, he got a head injury, so T, and elephant. Boof. How did I know how to do that? Ooh. We did it. Good elephant. Good elephant. Elephant don't give two fucks. Oh, whoa. I know what I have to do. Do I? Boof. Heads. Headshot. Elephant. Good Kai. Good Kai. Kai don't give two fucks. Yep, Kai doesn't care. Kai don't listen to the Glowing Pickaxe at all, does he? Hey, squished Ollie. You sat on somebody. What's that? You don't give enough? Yeah, just do the splits, that'll help. Did I do that right? Oh, I see. No, I don't see. I'm blind. Yay! Thump. Okay, one more level and then we'll end the video here. Zebra's disobeying me. Come on, this is gonna be it. Piggy looks so scared. It's like, no. Don't worry, you're just gonna get headbutt. That clearly didn't work. Right, come on. People have time. Yay! Bye bye, elephant. Okay, guys, that is the snoring elephant called Snoring, where you have to use different animals to knock him over. And elephant, he seemed very tired, like playing football 24 hours a day or something like that. But anyway, guys, make sure you subscribe and like. And you've already heard about the one of our pussycats dying, but there's no time to talk about that now. If you haven't, go and look at that video. And guys, I'll see you guys later. Well, I'll see you guys later. Bye.